Today I'm going to show you all a new piece of equipment that we're going to have listed for sale on our website. This is our automatic lowering and dipping arm. Over here, as you can see, we have our control panel with our on and off switch. And we have two speed controls here, and the speed control is independent for the up and down position on the lowering arm. And the framing is made out of extruded aluminum with these slots in here, and that gives you the ability to attach any type of tooling to make a custom rack to do a higher volume production, so you can dip multiple items at once or just a single item like we have here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the activator, and then I'll activate the lowering arm and it'll dip this brim for us. So here we